Hello, we are Daniel Lewis, Andrea Morales, Marcos Torres and Alfred Pique. We are going to show you our video tutorial about how we can use Screen Connect. First at all, we have to know that Screen Connect is a remote access application and it used to access to other PCs in the network remotely. This software is compatible with different platforms, Windows, Linux and Mac, the same for iOS and Android clients. Screen Connect have three work sections: Support, Meeting, and Access. Let's explain these three sections. Let's speak first about the support. What is a remote session support? A remote session support is a connection between a technical and the client. The technical have to create a support session and using his site in Screen Connect. After that, we have to warn the client and information with the instructions to connect with the sessions. There are three different ways to access to client: code, email, and link. In our case, the client will receive his access through email with an individually code or link. With this, technical will call access to the client PC with his consent. Our client already has the link and the code. Our customer gets in the web page that we sent him. Now he writes down the code and waits for the program to download. Now we double click to download the program that lets us control the client computer. As we can see, we are controlling our partner computer through the program.
Okay. There are 11 options for the support, okay, the helper, at the session. Okay, the first option is view, and the first option in view is select monitor. This option is useful when you have two monitors connected at the same PC. So you can select in which monitor will show the session. The next option is select quality, and you can select the image quality to improve the connectivity at the session. The next option is the zoom. That is a easy option. You can zoom in or zoom out the image. The next option is miscellaneous. Okay. The first option is send Control Alt Delete. This is a combination of keys that you can do special things while you are having the session. The next one is send clipboard keystrokes. This tool is used to send something saved in the clipboard to the session, to the guest. The next option is reboot and reconnect. Okay, you can reboot or reconnect the guest machine. Is easy with these two buttons. You can manage credentials. Okay, this is for the security option. This option, share my desktop, is you can reverse the sharing screen, okay, and show to the guest your own desktop. Suspend my input, that this option prevent my own keyboard and mouse from affecting the guest machine. Okay, you can't do anything to the guest machine. You can block the guest input to prevent that the guest don't don't let him use the keyboard and the mouse. And the next option is blank guest monitor. Okay, you can hide what you are doing during the session with a black screen at the guest PC. The next option is acquire wake lock. Okay, that this prevent the sleep and auto locking screensaver. So don't let the PC guest get in an inactivity state. The next option is toolbox. Okay, this is so short. The toolbox, okay, so the sense of the toolbox is that you can download more options than this 11, and you can download it at the internet and can manage and share your own toolbox. The next option is file transfer. Okay, we have three options here. Send files, you can send files to the guest PC. Receive files, the reverse, the guest you can download at the guest PC something and take it to your PC, to your machine, and you can manage the folders where these files are going to be saved. The next option is screen capture. This is short. You can take a screenshot, take a pic of what you are seeing at the guest machine, record a video, and the same as last, you can manage the folder where these pics or videos are going to be saved. The next option is sound. Okay, you can select the mode. You can you can select where the sound is going to be out, at the speakers, at the host mic. You can select a microphone if you have connected a microphone. Select the speakers if you have a speaker connected. Can mute the microphone and choose the microphone level and the speakers level. I don't have a microphone connected, so I don't have a microphone level. The next is participants, that you can join another participant, another guest to the session, another helper maybe, or something like that. The next one is annotations. This is a useful tool because you can choose a mode, ¿vale? You can write at the screen of the guest all of you want. Can be invisible for him. You can do that the host draw like you, or can that you only can see that you are drawing. You can see you have some tools. You can draw with a pen, which you can draw lines or different shapes, and choose the thickness of the lines. And this option is to clear the annotations. If I draw something that it's not drawing now, well, anything, you can click here and will disappear. The message is it's a chat that you can get with the guest. The helper is it's a tool that you can use it for search something at the internet while you are having the session. Okay, you can enable. This is for help for the clipboard. You can copy text, and you can select the web browsers that you can that you want to do the search. And the last tool is status, that you can see some parameters of the session, the status of the session, the time connected, message sent. This is about connectivity, the message receives, the version, and error messages.
In the support section, we can listen the client problems, petitions, and help them. To create a new session, we have to click at create. It will create the new session. Inside of support, there is 3 sections. All sessions. Here we can see all the created sessions and the activated and deactivated sessions. My sessions. Here we can see all sessions, the sessions that we are giving technical support, and request sessions. Here we can receive requests from people that are asking for help. Meets this function is used to show your PC to a high number of people and gives the possibility to access to it without any problem. Remember that a PC only has a course, then it's convenient that the login sessions go on V1. This can be useful for group works. We click on creation and we create a new room. Then with this new room we send it to the clients that we want to enter to the meeting so that they can access to our computer. And access, this option works for create a permanent session with other customer, only sending a code or message through email. With this we can access permanently to the customer PC.
Hi, after having COA part of the program work, we can also create a group with certain parameters within a section depending on what we want to see or use. Let's use a parameter or another. For example, in support and create a session group. When we have created the group of the session, we put a name on the group. For example, Pepito. Okay. In session filter, add params. For example, here are params. One fundamental parameter is host. Okay. Username. Okay. Username. Okay, this is for to see our session in the group is here, host and username. Okay. Here see the reference on the how to use the parameters representation where he is the current user. Okay. And not the properties operators, variables, functions. Okay. After we can add parameters, for example, and make it public to show use the name of the host guest network IP and daytime, for example, info about the time and last activity time. Okay. In my case, I will not use any params because I don't use okay, and create capital and create new session. I will join the session. Okay, no. Now we access the configuration or remote programs here in admin. Okay, and we can see different sections, for example the status, extension, security, database, mail, trigger, appearance, audit. We will see that each one forward, for example the status, we can see the version or the remote program and version, firewalls for forever all true, the external access or your installation to other client is the we have to pass to the client so we can access it. Okay, the URL is the working correctly, and extension we can download the extension that we want to add to our remote program. For example, we can click on browser online extension in different extension extension, translate, we can put in the language that are valid. In my case, I will not use any extension. In security, we can configure the internal option the program, for example how many characters do we want the user password, for example here we can create a new user, show your table, create user, create and create roles, for example here administrate, create support, create build access manager, create meeting section manager, diversity permissions room. Okay, we can also synchronize the Windows Server Activity Directory and also the LDAP option. Okay, database, here we are the service chains that we want to be executing in a certain time. Example edit on the time days. Mail, we can tell you to which address we want you to send us the report of the changes that are made in the programs. In appearance, to edit a bit what is the program interface. I told you the one that commands by default is already entered. For example here the entered okay. Audit, we can see the changes have been made in the program as session create groups and the last time a session has been opened. For example query, yes. Okay, so this was the basic general line of how Screen Connect works. I hope you like it and send you the next video. Bye.